In the early days of the war, Ukrainian small drone strike force could be easily divided into two types: improvised consumer DJI quadcopters armed with small VOG-17 or hand grenades, and R-18 octocopters operated by Aerorozvidka with larger anti-tank munitions. Both types have been highly effective, and Ukrainian forces have been extending their operations with a bewildering variety of improvised or locally made drones with heavier bomb loads. Here's a rundown of the many types we have seen, products of a broad ecosystem of ingenious drone engineers, as assorted as Heinz's legendary 57 varieties. Often the goal is to hit more targets in one sortie. In December, the 226th Battalion of the 127th Territorial Defense Brigade showed off a large commercial quadcopter with 6 mortar bombs in vertical tubes. A video of a similar drone appeared in October, described as carrying 682mm mortar bombs weighing about 7 pounds each, with another showing it being reloaded with practice rounds while still hovering. Some may not be improvised. Back in June, CMMEDI reported that a number of Taiwanese Revolver 860 drones being supplied to Ukraine. This portable, folding octocopter made by Drone Vision has a rotating magazine which delivers 8 individually aimed 60mm mortar bombs weighing about 3 pounds each, and a flight time of 25 to 40 minutes. However, there are no known videos of the Revolver 860 in Ukraine. Confusingly, another octocopter drone with a different rotor layout to the Revolver 860 appeared dropping 8 mortar bombs from tubes in a video released in August. 3 similar bomb-carrying octocopters are seen on the ground in a video in October, as another bomber squadron, according to the caption, with the unit commander explaining in Ukrainian that the drones are equipped with thermal imagers for night attacks. The situation was further confused with a video released on November 16th of 3 heavy drone bombers. 2 had munitions in vertical tubes as previously seen. The third was a hexacopter with 2 rotary dispensers for small mortar bombs, similar to the one on the Revolver 860. This might be the Kazanese 620, a locally made drone first announced in July, with a claimed payload of up to 20 kilos. A different revolver bomb mechanism appeared in July. A video from July. A DJI Matrix 300 drone, normally used for commercial filming, was fitted with a homemade rotary munition rack holding 8 VOG-17 anti-personnel grenades. The drones mentioned above were shown in demonstrations and training, so we do not know which have been used in action. We look at drones dropping bigger single munitions below. However, there are some reports from the Russians. In October, Russian Chechen fighters downed a large drone dropping mortar bombs on them. From the images, this was identified as a British Maloy 150, which does not resemble any of the drones seen above. This type of drone is intended for logistics and can carry a 50-pound payload for 20 miles. In May, the UK announced it was sending a number of them to Ukraine. It looks like at least some have been modified for the attack role. The Russians also describe drones dropping multiple hand grenades. A video in November shows a Russian soldier in a trench under drone attack. The drone drops a hand grenade, which the Russian manages to grab and throw away before it goes off. He tries to do the same with a second grenade, but it explodes close by, and he seems to be injured by the shrapnel. Russian state newspaper Pravda followed up the story and claims that the soldier is Rustam Kadainarov of the 5th Brigade, Donetsk People's Republic militia, currently recovering in hospital. According to their story, the drone dropped 8 grenades in all, with Kadainarov throwing 3 of them cleared before being injured by the 4th. We do not know what type of drone was used in this incident. None of the drones mentioned above drop hand grenades, but the Ukrainians will likely put shorter time delay fuses on their grenades in the future. The Ukrainians are using large drones to deliver heavier bombs. A video released in October shows what looked like a DJI Matrix, said to be flown by Belarusian volunteers and dropping a single 120mm mortar bomb. These bombs weighed about 25 pounds, and when dropped on a Russian position, the blast is certainly far more powerful than the drone bombs.